Hello students, my name is Nityagar and I am taking your financial management course. Today let me introduce with this subject and what are the topics and the units we are going to cover under this subject. Course objective. The objective of this course is to aware the participant with the concepts and the techniques we use in the finance and how these techniques we can apply in different business concepts and how the managers and other authorities use these in the major financial decisions. Unit 1 is the introduction, which tells you the meaning and the scope of the financial management and what are the financial functions and what is the financial manager's roles. It also discusses the objectives of the financial management, whether it is profit maximization or the wealth maximization. It discusses the financial goals of the financial management and the what are the agency problem between the managers and the shareholders goals. It also discusses the financial goals and the firm's missions and objectives, organization of the finance functions, planning for fund requirement, preparation of the cash budget, pro forma income statement, balance sheet, and we will be doing some practice questions as well. Unit 2 is capital budgeting and financial planning. It includes the topics the introduction to the capital budgeting, what are the steps in capital budgeting, and what are the different techniques we will use for capital budgeting, such as average rate of return, payback period, present value method, internal rate of return. After that, we will be doing some practice questions. Unit 3 is financing decisions. It includes the topics such as default risk and credit rating, long-term debt and retained earnings, what are the different sources of funds, capital structure planning, what is the meaning of cost of capital, what is its importance, what is the concept of the opportunity cost of capital, what are the different cost of capital such as cost of debts, cost of preference capital, cost of equity capital. It also discusses the CAPM model and different dividend growth models. The other is the weighted average cost of capital. It also the concept of the flotation cost, cost of capital and investment analysis. How we will calculate these different type of cost of capital we will also discuss under this. What is the divisional and the project cost of capital? Introduction to the financing divisions. What is the financial leverages? How we can measure these financial leverages and what are the different types of financial leverages such as operating, financial and composite financial leverage. Unit 4 is working capital management. It includes the topics that what is the working capital management and how we can manage the current assets. Also, it tells the how we can manage the liquidity of our company and the current assets. It also discusses the hedging approach and how much level of current and the liquid assets a company must have. Also, it discusses the factors affecting the requirement of working capital. It also discusses the management of cash and other marketable securities. It also discusses the motive for holding cash and the ways for controlling the cash inflow and outflow. It discusses the credit policy, what is the nature of it and what is its goal, and what is the optimum credit policy, and what are the different variables of the credit policy and how we can evaluate this. It also includes the monitoring receivables and factoring. Last unit is dividend decisions. It includes the topics such as the concept of dividend policy, what are its objectives, the practical consideration in dividend policy, stability of dividend, constant payout, constant dividend per share plus extra dividend, merits and demerits of stability of dividend, target payout and dividend smoothing, forms of dividend, share split, dividend policy analysis. These are the books which can be referred. I.M. Pandey, Fundamentals of Financial Management, Principles of Managerial Finance. Thank you.